Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, Krishna Bhakti is like that. Full control over the senses. As Krishna has got full control over the senses, similarly, those who are actually Krishna devotees, they have got full control over this. Rishikesh. Just like Jamunacharya, he is praying, he is speaking, Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravinde nava nava dhama rantumasi. Since I began to feel transcendental bliss being taken shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravinde, Krishna padaravinde, the lotus feet of Krishna. Since my chitta, my heart has been attracted by the lotus feet of Krishna, Tadavadhi Vatanari Sangame. Since then, as soon as I think of sex life, Bhavati Mukha Vikara, I hate, I spite of it. This is Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti is like that. Bhakti Paresanubhava Virakti Annatra. This most attractive feature in this material world is sex. That is the foundation of material life. All these people are working so hard day and night only for that sex enjoyment. Janamainthanadi, they have taken so much risk. They are working kurmis. They are working so hard. What is their pleasure of life? The pleasure of life is sex. Janamainthanadi grihamedi sukham mitucham. Very abominable activities, but that is their pleasure. This is material life. So, Krishna is not like that. But the rascals, they paint pictures, and that pictures are very much appreciated. That Krishna is embracing gopis. And somebody was telling me that who came? Krishna's picture. So, when Krishna is killing Putana, that picture they will not paint. Or killing Kamsa. Krishna has got so many pictures. These pictures they will not, the artists. They will simply paint the pictures. His confidential dealing with the gopis. One who cannot understand Krishna, what is Krishna, which Vasudev has described what is Krishna in 9 cantos. To understand Krishna. And then, in the 10th canto, he begins the birth advent of Krishna. But these rascals, they jump over immediately to the Ras Leela. First of all, understand Krishna. Just like if you become a friend of some very big man, so first of all, try to understand him. Then he will try to understand his family affairs or confidential things. But these people jump over to the Ras Leela and misunderstand. And therefore, they sometimes say Krishna is immoral. How Krishna can be immoral? By accepting, by chanting Krishna's name, the immoral persons are becoming moral and Krishna is immoral. Just see the foolishness. Simply by chanting Krishna's name, all immoral persons are becoming moral. and Krishna is ignored. And that is spoken by a rascal professor. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.